Hello, today I am going to show you how you can make your voice sound much deeper in Audacity. Okay, first you're gonna open Audacity like this. I'm just gonna record something. Hi, this is a tutorial on how to make your voice sound deeper on Audacity. There, that's the track. If you play it. There. I'm just gonna delete this part. Okay, there we go. Sorry. First, you're just gonna select the whole the whole clip. Then you're gonna go to Effects, Change Pitch, and you have all these numbers, just nothing there. And if you're going positive, your voice will sound higher. If you go negative, it will sound deeper. And at -8, it should sound like that. Normal. And this is after. There you go. Well, I hope I helped you a little. I hope you kind of understand Audacity a little more. If you don't, just subscribe, ask me something, ask me a tutorial to do on it. It doesn't matter. As long as you subscribe, you rate, whatever, just rate good, please.